Greeting friends, hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a good day. Got a new toy coming in today from AliExpress. Took about 2 weeks from when I ordered, and it finally came in. Pretty excited. Uh, you want to guess what it is? But I will put in the title anyway, so you will see it. It is another helicopter. Of course, um, it was a fun, choice to do because there are a lot of choices out there, and this one is pretty good, I think. From what I hear, it's pretty fun, well, easy to fly, and it's inexpensive to repair, which is the best part. So what I have here is a XK K110 ready to fly helicopter. It's supposed to be able to do 3D tricks and stuff like that. Do aerobatics, loops, brawls. I don't know how to do that kind of stuff at all. So that'd be fun watching YouTube and try to learn from it and practice. And of course, tape it and for you to laugh at my attempts. But let's see what's in the box. I can open it. So it's a K110S 6-channel 3D 6G system helicopter. A little carrying case. Here is manual, which I will definitely be reading for sure. It's just for the remote. An instruction manual for the helicopter itself. Package pretty nice. Part kits, definitely need that for sure. Let's see what's in there. There's a big box for very little parts. So, look like a battery charger, gears, rotor blade, tail rotor, tools. That's it. All right. Remote. 2.4 gigahertz, not like the old school fixed channel. If you remember in the old days, for us old folks, you only fly like helicopter or RC cars or planes on different channel. But here with a 2.4 gigahertz, you can fly a bunch and not worrying about interfering other people. Here's a hefty remote. All right, now in a box. Very nice. Protection on the control stick. Oh man, look at that. Yeah, beautiful. Guess I need some glue. Oh my goodness, it's too funny. Quality good there, quality. Antenna protection. That's pretty good. Pretty big remote. All right. Oh, read the manual to see what these buttons do. No idea. Wow. Okay. It is definitely a small helicopter. And let's see how they package it. Very nice. Red. Come on out, buddy. Come on out. All right. Pretty simple. Got blade protection, got a little boom in the back. It's not like a traditional scale helicopter. Here's the battery, a little 1S battery, very tiny. Interesting. There you go. Check the screws later before I fly this one to make sure everything's in good condition. Pretty small helicopter. So it is about 10.5 inches long. Very small. Comparing to the Yusheng UH1 UE, which is about 15 inches, I believe. So I don't know how well it will handle in the wind, but we'll find out. We can probably put this around indoor, like really slow. And it's so light that you probably won't damage anything if you hit anything. So that'll be a good part, but you know, stay away from people, stay away from pets, and any fragile items. So this is pretty much a traditional style helicopter where the left stick is controlling your height of the helicopter. It doesn't stay in the middle like the new drone style Yusheng or RC Era or the rotoscale that I fly. The stick goes all the way to the bottom and it doesn't go back to the middle. So this is how you maintain the height by pushing it up. And of course, rotate left, rotate right, move forward, move backward, or slide right, slide left, slide right. All your trims. I'm not sure what these buttons or switches do. But you can see this stick stays down when you push it down. And this is the Yusheng where the stick goes back to the middle when you move it away from the middle. You let go, it goes back to the middle. So that's the main difference between the traditional helicopter and the newer drone style. So hopefully this will help me fly the rotoscale in an angle mode a lot better because you have to maintain, but this thing stays whatever angle that you leave it in. I believe the rotoscale goes back to the middle, you let go, which is not good. But yeah, my new toy. Hopefully it flies well. Hopefully I fly well, and hopefully I can do some aerobatics and learn. And it will be fun to watch. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.